Today, we'll explore how the MACD optimizer can sharpen your trading strategies. This tool fine-tunes MACD settings by automatically backtesting different combinations of fast and slow exponential moving averages and the signal line, helping you to find the most profitable setup. By optimizing MACD for various market conditions, you can enhance both your trading performance and decision-making. You can choose between high CPU usage for faster processing or low CPU usage for a more balanced performance based on your computer's capacity. You can also adjust the MA calculation using various price points, like close, open, high, low, median, typical, or weighted price. The shift setting allows you to adjust their offset on the chart. The value must be a positive integer, starting from 0 with no upper limit. You can specify the number of bars to wait after two moving average lines cross before entering a trade. Enable optimization to run it within a defined range, from the lower limit to the upper limit, or turn it off to backtest a specific value in the lower limit. Define the lower and upper limits, along with the step size, for optimizing the fast and slow exponential moving averages, as well as the signal line. The optimizer will then test combinations within these ranges to identify the optimal settings. To filter out insignificant crosses, the optimizer excludes combinations where the difference between the fast and slow lines is too small. To fine-tune your strategy, you can customize your trade signals by selecting from various modes. The results displayed will be influenced by the following parameters: filter by minimum win rate and minimum average winning pips. The buy-only mode generates signals exclusively for buying opportunities, filtering out all sell signals. On the other hand, the sell-only mode focuses solely on selling opportunities, excluding buy signals. For a comprehensive view, the overall mode indicates both buy and sell signals by calculating the average win rate of both. If you prefer to see both types of signals simultaneously, the buy and sell mode displays the win rate for successful buy and sell trades together. Alternatively, the buy or sell mode separates these signals, allowing you to focus on one type at a time, calculating the win rate of at least one successful trade. Set a win rate threshold, and the optimizer will only consider results that meet or exceed this value, factoring in both buy and sell win rates. Filter strategies by the average number of pips gained per trade to ensure profitability, including success in both buy and sell trades or at least one. This setting ensures the total number of transactions meets the minimum requirements based on the selected result filter direction. Choose to optimize over a specific date range or based on the past bars on the chart, giving you flexibility in how you assess performance. Decide how many historical candlesticks will be used for the optimization, allowing you to focus on recent market behavior. You could also set the start and end dates for your optimization, tailoring the report to timeframes relevant to your strategy. Let's go through the step-by-step process for using the MACD optimizer in MT4. In the Navigator window, right-click on the MACD optimizer indicator and select Attach to a chart. In the indicator settings, click on Inputs. After configuring the settings to your preference, click OK. The MACD optimizer will then start running according to the parameters you've set. As the indicator runs, the chart will display key information such as entry and exit points, drawdown levels, and pip steps. This visual data helps you understand the performance and behavior of the MACD histogram and signal line crossover strategy in real time. The Indicators panel delivers a detailed set of statistics that provide a comprehensive overview of your optimized strategy's performance. You can assess key metrics such as gross profit and loss for both buy and sell trades, along with the maximum profit and loss achieved in each direction. Additionally, it highlights the maximum drawdown experienced, the time spent on optimization, and the total number of trades executed. The above results are based on the optimal parameter combinations for fast, slow, and signal period calculated by the MACD optimizer. These insights furnish you with valuable information, empowering you to make more informed trading decisions. Now, you're ready to use the MACD optimizer to enhance your trading strategy.